So for our topic, we chose to do synthetic division. So the first problem that I'm going to be showing you is divide negative x to the third plus 4x squared plus 9 by x minus 3. So first we're going to look at x minus 3, which is the divisor. But for this problem, we need to divide by the root, which is going to be k equals 3. And then you put 3 at the top of the box. And then you're going to look at the actual polynomial. And you're going to want to write the leading coefficient in descending exponent order. So first you're going to look at the third degree, and you're going to put -1 because that's the leading coefficient of the third degree. And then you're going to want to look at x squared, or the second degree. And then you're going to put 4, which is the leading coefficient of x to the second. And then since there's no first degree, you're going to want to put a 0 because then that fills in the term. And then you're going to put 9, which is the constant. So first you're going to look at -1 and you're going to bring that down here. And then you're going to do 3 times -1, which is -3, and put that below the 4. And then you're going to add 4 plus -3, which is going to be 1. And then you're going to take 3 times 1, which is 3. And then you're going to add 0 plus 3, which is 3. And then you're going to take 3 times 3, which is 9. And then finally you're going to do 9 plus 9, which is 18. So for the equation, this is going to be your remainder since this didn't turn out to be 0. This is your r. This 3 is your constant. 1 is going to be your x to the first power, and -1 is going to be your x to the second power. So then you're going to write out the equation. It's going to be -x squared plus x plus 3 plus 18, which is your remainder, over the divisor, which is x minus 3.
So we're going to do another example. So we're going to divide 3x cubed minus 2x squared plus 2x minus 5 by x plus 1. So our divisor is x plus 1, but we need to divide by the root, which is 1. So k is going to equal -1. Next, we're going to take the coefficients over here, and we're going to add them to the top of the box from descending exponent order. So 3, -2, 2, and -5. Then we're going to bring our first term down, which is 3. Then we're going to multiply -1 times 3, which is -3. And we're going to add -3 plus -2, which is -5. Then we're going to multiply -5 times -1, which is 5. And then we're going to add 5 plus 2, which is 7. Then we're going to multiply -1 times 7, which is -7. And then we're going to add these two to get a total of -12. And -12 is the remainder because it's not 0. So -12 is r. This is our constant. Then -5 is our x. And 3 is our x squared. And our formula would be 3x squared minus 5x plus 7 minus 12x